हरिः कन्ना।
Okay, we have seen enough. So you may ask, what's next? Should I stop learning? Should I move to some other thing? Nope, nothing. You have to keep learning. NumPy is like an ocean. There are a lot of things to learn. What we have seen are basics. So you have to explore more if you want to apply NumPy very well with data science or some mathematics or some physics field. So without NumPy, it's very difficult to integrate Python with any other fields or any other domains. So that's the reason you just keep exploring the NumPy. So you take these basics as a support, and you just keep exploring the NumPy. So if basics are clear, so advanced concepts of NumPy would be pretty clear. Anyway, we'll be making one more course on advanced NumPy. So till that time, keep exploring the following concepts such as array creation. In array creation, you look into arrange, array, copy, empty like I, from file, from function, identity, linspace, log space, mg grid, m grid, o grid, once like r underscore zeros like. I think most of the functions from this, most of the methods of array creation we have used, but I would urge you to explore more and understand what all arguments it consists of and all. Just go through the documentation of respective methods. And similarly for the conversions, nd array array.as type, at least underscore 1D, at least underscore 2D, and at least underscore 3D, and final one is math. And when it comes to manipulation, we have used by and large all these manipulations such as array underscore split, column underscore stack, concatenate we have used, diagonal we have used, dsplit, dstack, head split, head stack, all we have used, and nd array dot item we have used, new access we have used, ravel, repeat, reshape, resize, squeeze. This also we have used, sw access, swap access we haven't used, take transpose we used, v split we used, v stack we used. I'm just requesting you to explore more. That's it. Whatever we have seen the usage of that. But if you look into the arguments of each method, you will get a more understanding about the same, and you can get the lot of benefits, and you can use that same method for the different applications. And questions such as all, any, non-zero, where. And similarly ordering, argmax we used, argmin we used, max, min, ptp we used, and operations, cum, sum, inner, we used all those things by and large. So basic statistics, okay, mean and std, where. So this is basic statistics, cov, and mean, std, where. These are very much important for a data scientist. And basic linear algebra, dot we used, cross we did not use, and svd and v dot. So these are widely used methods, and just keep an eye on all these methods. So that's all for now from intuitive NumPy for you course. I will see you in matplotlib course, intuitive matplotlib course. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Keep watching my videos, keep spreading my videos, and keep loving me. See you. And keep subscribing it. Don't forget, keep liking it, and don't forget to comment it there if you have any doubt. If you want material, if you want my PPTs, or if you want Excel sheets that I'm using, whatever you want, just keep a comment on that. I will respond it to you as soon as possible. See you then. Bye bye.